Hi guys, welcome to a new YouTube video, this time from the Normandie in France, and I had some crazy production days here, and for that I also did some landscape shots, so I thought it's a good thing to show you a bit about the Normandie. So here's my little Normandie vlog slash impression video. Enjoy! It's not always about the perfect introduction. So yeah, I'm here at Normandie. I had a cool content trip here for a client, and I had a chance to do some cool city shots, city little town shots, and yeah, to test the Osmo Pocket a bit. So everything is recorded with the Osmo Pocket, which is quite cool. It's the second trip I do with this little helper, and I really fell in love with it. So this will be my new travel gear, and I will show you a bit about that in the next videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this little video. I'm super excited. I was completely surprised how cute these little towns are here in the Normandy. And the good thing is we have a good weather on the third day, so at least one day we have like the perfect weather to shoot some stuff outside. And yeah, this is what we did today, so enjoy this, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.